What's up? This is our latest project we're about to start. Pretty sweet vehicle. It's a 1982 Toyota FJ45. It's a Troopy as well because you can put lots of troops in the back or your people. It's called a 45 because it's just a little bit under 45 feet long, as you can tell. It's very long. Pretty cool project. Again, we're going to put this one on a Roadster Shop RS4 chassis. It's got long travel Fox shocks, big Bear brakes. It's going to have LS3 power. We're also going to take the body and we're going to turn it into a four-door, because why would you want to put the troops through a single front door or just through the back when you can have four doors all the way around? Again, as you can see, it's very long. That's why they call it the FJ45, 45 feet in length. Originally, these came with a straight 6. That's got to go. This particular vehicle is from South Africa, which I find it hard to believe because someone said they used it to transport troops during the Civil War. So the timelines don't really line up, and neither do the continents. Nevertheless, what we do know is it's going on a really badass Roadster Shop RS4 chassis. It's going to look like a monster truck when it's done. So if you're not into that, don't subscribe or like, because we don't want you anyway. We're going to use an LS3 from GM Performance. Why? Because they actually work. 480 horsepower, LS3, GM transmission. We chose the chassis with a solid and rear differential because it's meaty. If you don't like meat, you can also not subscribe or like. We've got a lot of subscribers already, so we just don't care. But we do want to show you this cool project. So if you're interested, stay tuned, like, subscribe, follow, send it to your buddies. It's going to be a really cool build. In a little bit, we'll show you a little bit more about that badass chassis. Buy our floor dry product.
Dynamatic floor dry. Cleans up oil, grease, virtually any other mess like magic.
I'm here to talk to you more about this awesome RS4 chassis we got from Roadster Shop. This is going under the 1982 Toyota FJ45 Troopy. Again, known as the 45 because it's 45 feet long. This chassis is a far departure from the original frame, which on our donor is actually rust-free and in really good shape. We've got remote reservoir, long travel, Fox shocks. We've got solid front and rear axle because we're serious. Beautiful fabrication on the chassis. As you can see, we've got it all set up. We've got it all set up. What's that?
Don't hurt yourself.
We've got it all set up for the LS3 and the GM transmission we plan on using. Bringing things to a halt. We've got Roadster Shop branded brakes built by Bear. Are we going to take it off jumps? Probably. Are we going to have troops in the back of the Troopy when we do it? Most likely. If you're here to argue about me, or if you're here to argue with me about whether or not it's called a Troopy because it transported troops in the Civil War, I'm just not going to fight with people about that anymore. That's just what somebody told me, and I know it doesn't make a lot of sense, but I believe it to be the truth.
When it was on the internet, it was true.
I believe it's true. They called it a Troopy and a 45 for a reason.
This thing is beefy.
Oh man. Super nice fabrication. Lots of cool little trick parts on this chassis.
It's gonna be a cool build.
Gonna be a cool build. You can catch us at Baja.
Let's do that. That'd be fun.
Do you think the customer would let us?
I don't know.
Do we have to tell him?
No.
As long as we get all the sand out, right?
Yeah.
We got your back. Customer
I
Ron.
can't film it if we do though.
What?
Destroy all the evidence.
Oh. Maybe we'll build one for ourselves. I like the chassis enough to have one for myself. All right. See ya.
So that's going to wrap up the sneak peek on the FJ45 Troopy. This is going to be a really cool build. Hopefully you guys enjoy this. Let me know down in the comments section. Just passed 100,000 subscribers. Very cool. Thank you for that. Continue to share this with your friends and the channel. If you want to help the channel, like, comment, subscribe, buy some merch. Also this Sunday we have a new video series coming out. It's going to be a 56 F100. It's going to sit on a Roadster Shop chassis, be powered by a 5.2 Illuminator V8. Getting all the goodies. Custom interior, full paint body. It's going to be a good one. Thanks again for watching. See you in the next video.